Red.
Yay.
You will. Step 2. Reading with help. Disney Frozen 2. Over 30 shiny stickers. Frozen 2. There were once 4 spirits of nature. The spirits have not been seen for many years. Elsa's power is growing. She blushes her magic. It wakes the spirits. The trolls tell Elsa the spirits are upset. Elsa must face the spirits. She will go to the enchanted forest. Anna and Elsa go north. Their friends go too. They find the enchanted forest behind a wall of mist. The 4 spirits are wind, fire, water, and earth. The wind spirit is playful and friendly. The fire spirit is small but mighty. The wind spirit swirls around the friends. They fly into the air. The fire spirit runs through the forest. Elsa chases its fire with her ice power. Earth giants are big and powerful. The water spirit is swift like a horse. Earth giants sleep by the river. Anna and Olaf float by. They stay very quiet. The water spirit swims in the dark sea. Elsa meets the water spirit. Elsa faced the spirits. There will be peace throughout the land. The end. A lot of stickers. Shiny stickers. Look at that.
Hi kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play another game called Frozen 2 Super Slides. And let's play. Woohoo! Give us a second. Not sponsored. Okay, we just opened it and now we're gonna go play with it. Whoa! Oh, okay, we have the fidget.
It's a board game.
We have the fidget spinner. We have the Now I need to take this plastic off. Okay, you want to be Anna or Elsa?
For now, I will be Anna.
Okay, and I'll be Matthias.
And later will be Elsa. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, can you read the instruction for Mommy?
Okay, give me a sec. I'm just putting Matthias on. The next one I'll be Olaf.
How many board game is this? 2?
That's where you start.
Yeah.
What's on the back? I think we need to shuffle this. So we can like shuffle it. Oh, you can put it any way. Like any way you want.
Okay.
Oh. You can go this way or the other way.
So, one of these.
Okay. Those are the holders. Now we're gonna get you as Anna, Elsa for later.
So where's the other one? Okay. This is who's Olaf? Right here.
Okay. I am Matthias. So So we go right here. And now you're Anna, right?
Yeah. This is Matthias. And then Anna. I'll be Anna today. Tonight.
So you can switch any road.
Okay.
Any road. Okay, you can go first.
And then spin. On the instructions said set up, unfold the game, and unfold the game board and set it up on the flat surface like a table or a very low carpet. Pop out all the pad tiles, which is we did, right, Walter?
Yeah.
And replace them loosely into the holes in the game board. Oh,
Like
that's one we did. It doesn't matter which one goes where or which side face up. Just put them where you want. Okay, Walter, yeah, we get that. Each player choose a character mover. Matthias, Anna, Elsa, or Olaf. Insert the movers into the mover base. This is a mover base. And place the movers on the star face. The youngest player goes first.
which is always in games.
Okay. All right.
Okay, I'll go first. Let's
So you spin.
Let's spin the magical wheel. Okay, for this one, if I get this one, I can go here.
Oh.
If you see these, you can go here.
Yeah,
And then-
if you see
and then-
this too.
And then for these, you can switch. And then you
Which
can,
one?
For this, when you land on this, you can switch.
No.
Okay, I'll go first. Let's go, kitties. I
Oh.
got this one.
That one?
Now I can go across here.
What? So you get a shortcut, in other words. So
I
now it's Mommy's turn.
am so winning.
Ah, go to yellow.
But good job, though.
It's okay.
You'll catch up.
Okay.
A switch.
Where are you gonna switch?
I want to switch this one.
Okay.
I want to switch to. Oh wait, did it come up? I want to do it. Nah, I think I'll move it like that. Yeah.
So there's no road here. It won't fit like this.
Oh.
You have to do it like that. Okay.
Oh my bad, Mom.
Where does it get stuck?
Yeah. Okay, your turn. Please get a switch a card. Please get a switch a card. Please get a switch a card.
Okay. One more.
Yes!
I gotta go switch.
You can switch. You can switch either side, I think. Look on the other side.
Oh. Like that. Is it okay?
Yeah. Oh, and then if you get a
Like that?
yeah, you can go.
It's your
Okay, my turn. I got
you
another
switch.
switch a card.
You already switch.
I can switch again.
Okay. Switch it back. Okay. Okay.
Your turn.
Mommy's turn.
The red.
The red.
You can only go one space, but good job. I think I'm winning.
What?
On orange.
Orange.
I think I go up there.
You pass.
Wait a minute. Okay, is that correct? Then I go down in there and then go around and then yeah. Okay, I'm going right.
Where I'm at, Walter.
You're right there. Oh, and there's Riker. Riker and them.
Yeah.
Run.
Is that me? Yellow.
I got a yellow.
What about Mommy?
Okay, I think you're right here.
Okay. How many times you spin?
What?
Oh,
Half
blue.
Oh my god. Mom, you should have just got a purple.
I know.
So you can cheat across.
I know,
Then you
but
could be winning. But good try though. Yellow. Okay, and then I could go here.
Okay. Yellow.
Oh man. Yellow again.
Okay. Ah, what is
You
that?
go over there. I think you go over there.
I go there and then like that.
Yeah, and go across.
Across.
And go to orange. Are you
Orange.
still losing?
Oh yeah.
Another one. Wait, I just go right backwards. No thing.
Is that how it works?
Yeah, I went here. I was. Where was I? Right here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I went. I hit that, and then I had to go back.
Oh, it's just a big circle, bud.
You
Okay lang. Switch.
switch a card. Okay, which one do you want to switch?
Okay. I'm going to switch.
So you can make me lose. Okay. I get it.
Where is this going, Walter?
Go up where it was the same. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, like that. Okay, my turn.
Yellow.
Yellow. You're winning.
Oh.
You go here. What?
Okay.
So uncool.
It's okay.
Yes. Whoop, whoop.
You catching up me?
Yeah.
Red.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, do you go this way? I think I go that way.
Yeah, because I was here. You should go like
I
that.
think you should go this way, but
You know, I hit that thing. No, what is that?
they hit the right. Not that. Another one. Woo. Hey, Mom.
No, you didn't. Oh, is that what you did?
Yeah.
Because I thought you were going to go back.
No.
Where do I go?
You have to.
The hair.
Then you can go, and then. Which way do you want to go? Mom, you can't go.
Okay, which one way?
Okay.
Go back here.
Yellow.
Red.
You go in these three positions.
Okay, your turn, bud.
Bing, bing. And like this. Woo! What?
What?
I'm backwards.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's me and you there.
Okay, let's see who moves.
Red. Yellow, Walter, me. Your turn. Red.
Oof.
Red. Why am following you?
You guys are on the same row.
Okay.
Another switch a card.
Oh, you're here, right? But over there.
I want to switch this
Okay.
so I can make it like. I want to make it like that, but what about the water horse?
That's a spirit.
Yeah. Okay, your turn.
Okay, give me a minute. All right.
You got
I
another
guess
switch a
switch.
card.
This one?
Well, that one or this one? You can pick.
Either way, right?
Yeah. Mom, you're right by the earth giants.
Oh, the big stone, the giant stone. Okay, you, Walter.
Okay. Can I have it?
Mm-hmm.
Another switch a card. I think I'll switch this one.
Okay. Can you reach over here so that it's not?
Yeah, I can reach.
Red.
Yay.
You will. Switch.
Did you know the earth giants are a spirit?
Are the spirit too?
Yeah, because of water.
Oh, water.
You need to go back.
Where do I go back?
You need to go back, like right there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mom, you tried your best.
Okay. Yellow.
Yellow.
Red.
Wait, Mom, you're actually winning.
Oh.
Look,
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Red. Okay, but
winning.
blue.
Switch a card.
Switch your card.
Switch this one.
Why you don't want to switch it?
I just don't want to.
Okay. Do you need some help? Seems like you're having a hard time to remember the first set. Like that. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, purple.
So, Mom, if you go here, look. You go here, and then you go here, and then you're close to winning.
Yeah. Switch. Oh, what do you call that? Water
Where do
here.
I go here. Yahoo!
Look at you.
Pikachu.
You're Bob.
Like Bob, my name. You're the same too.
Okay. You're next.
Purple.
Purple. Blue.
My bad, kids. And I won.
You won!
Good
Look
job.
at you.
Good try, Mom. And now. Okay, kids, I hope you liked the video. Make sure you smash that like button and turn on that notification bells. And bye. See you
Bye.
next one. See you next time.
So